And I'm doing my update on my experimental bins. I'm gonna go ahead and feed them. So we'll go in here and look at the bin that is the most full. There's 20 worms in the whole bin, so I don't know if we're going to see anybody. But we'll dig a little bit and see who we can find, if anybody's home. This is right next to my water heater, so if anything is gonna be toasty warm in the basement here, it is definitely gonna be this particular bin. Ooh. Oh, wait, hey, found it. Somebody's home. There we go. So, that's good news. Looks reasonably happy. So, we'll put them down back. And then I will put some of the feeding in there, which is just apple, banana peel, and coffee grounds. So this is the first time I've fed them since they've been in the experimental bin. So, and then we'll just cover it all back up here. Even everything out. Seems pretty wet. Everybody seems okay. Here's the second one. Move everything over, see if I can find anybody home. Yeah, not so much with the gloves. I see some movement down there. Somebody's in there. Come on, guys, come out and play. Okay, might have been hallucinating that. Could have swore I saw a wiggle. Oh, there we go. Wait. Okay, they're faster than me. Where did he go? I swear I just saw some. Well, it's probably not hard to say the worms are, you know, probably digging pretty deep. That's pretty much the African night crawler's motto is they, or MO, not really motto. Interesting. They're making me work for it for sure. Probably all snuggled up in the bottom middle where it is hardest for me to get to. Okay, we're gonna try. Yeah, the cocoons are gonna be almost impossible to see in this leaf litter. In fact, I can't even find any worms, let alone cocoons. Alright, well, maybe we'll peek in a couple of days and see if there's any sort of a worm ball with this feeding. Yeah, you can't tell the difference between that and the leaf litter either, can you? Should be exciting for me. I'm trying to find cocoons in this. Alright, Cover everything back up. And then for the last one. Wait, there. Literally, if it was a snake, it would have bit me. Well, there he is. Hi, guys. They do seem a bit slow. There's another one. But I'm going to go ahead and feed them. And cover them back up. And then that will be the end of that update. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with me and my worms. Later.